Hello creative people, welcome back from the brand new video by RABBY. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a quick CV design inside PDFelement Pro. So guys, we have a great video for today, so let's get started and have some fun. This video is sponsored by PDFelement Pro. You can go to their official website from the link in the video description. Also, you can apply for 40% discount if you are a student. All the links will be in the video description down below, so feel free to check them out. After opening the software, you will see the home screen something like this. Now let's create a new file. You can type out your file name here. Choose the paper size you want. Then click on blank to open the PDF. Drag your image inside PDFelement Pro and select Use as an image. Then resize the image holding Shift. Then place the image anywhere you want. I'm using the fake name generator for all the dummy character information, but you can use your own. Click on Add Text and type out your name here. You can make your text bold and increase the size of your text. Type out your title here. Also, I am using lorem ipsum for the dummy text.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?
You can just type out a short data about you.
And imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head.
Now type out the contact information. I'm just copy the text and paste them here, but you have to type out your information here.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
I'm going to speed up the workflow for now, otherwise you will feel bored.
Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe every single thing we see.
Now let's add all the skills you have. Make sure your alignment is perfect, otherwise the resume will look bad. I'm using the dummy text. You can type out your skill here. Now let's add working experience.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa,
I'm going to use a pattern image as a footer design. So I'm dragging one image inside.
and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my
Now let's add educational information.
to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't.
Add the IT skills you have.
We know we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I
You can also add how many languages you can use.
think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun. Also thank you to PDFelement Pro for sponsoring this channel. All the links will be in the video description down below, so feel free to check them out.